For me, I was waiting for it to retest again that 500, like a proper retest.
But it dropped.
It dropped like a tank through the floor.
When Josh and I came out for lunch, I think around 12 o'clock something, we looked at this and it already tapped 2 QPs. We were like, what is
Yeah,
this? Perfect entry was there in 15 minutes, Sam. I saw that.
exactly. I didn't look at the 15 minute, but yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, sir.
When you look at the Olympics, they were posting some stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
Josh was just telling me about it.
yeah, and so one guy,
Mhm.
they posted a thing for Turkey. Okay, like for all that shooting, right, hand pistol shooting.
Yeah.
Many of them, they have lenses and this and that, something and all they'll have on that glass, and then they'll aim through the hand pistol and they'll
Yeah.
shoot. Turkey sent just for an old man with a pistol like that, and he just shot. No, nothing special, just looked at the target and shot. So they were making memes on him saying Turkey sent a hitman or something to the Olympics.
Professional assassinate.
08, like others had like some scope and all on their
He put all his
glasses.
experience.
My man just took it and shot. Where do they have that? Turkey. Yeah, look. Look at others, full scope and all. My man standing in one t-shirt, right hand, bang. Look at them, he's gonna become a meme, yo. Look at this. Look at these guys.
And look at his hand, it's in the pocket, right?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Thug.
Oh, wow.
Just look, these are the other shooters. Full scope and everything.
They were keeping
Wait,
having it
some
in the pocket.
Some star cook working with the most modern equipment. My mom cooking better on a 25-year-old stove.
Lol.
Oh man, this guy is gonna become a legend, bro.
Well,
He is gonna. Wait, he won? That'll be insane, dude.
and what is that? Turkey will.
Legend. Proper hitman only they sent to the Olympics. Too good. Too good. Alright. So, oh, my guy. He had one job.
Oh, that happened. The mouse it went off.
It's okay. Alright, so let's take a look at it. Let's get set so at least we know what we're looking for. Firstly,
Sam, we forgot one thing, Sam. Praying.
no, we didn't forget. We're not starting our morning like this, no.
Okay, before
No, so our day's already begun. Before that was the beginning of our day. Yeah. Well, yeah, let's go. Alright, so look at it.
Yep.
So now firstly what we're going to take a look at is what is the market doing? How can we assess the market? What did the market do, especially with regards to monthly candle closure, because today is the first day of the month, right?
Yeah, Sam, that's right.
So now let's dive in. Okay, so GBP USD, look at the monthly time frame. We closed bullish, strong bullish, but we have a rejecting wick.
Yep.
Right? Strong bullish, but with a rejecting wick. So now the question is, what has happened previously? Strong bullish with a rejecting wick. Strong bullish with a rejecting wick.
Dropping.
Strong bullish with a rejecting wick. 90% of the time it was dropping only.
Yeah, Sam.
Right?
Yep. That's right.
Literally any strong bullish with a rejecting wick,
We know what to do next time.
you can see. This is strong bullish with a rejecting wick, but it kind of moved up. So again, it's all based on lower time frame market structure after this. So price closed above all the resistances in this area on the monthly.
Yeah, Sam.
Right, that's one thing we really have to keep in mind, that price literally just closed above all the resistances that existed in that area.
Yeah.
Okay,
July.
month of July. Now let's look at weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, what is the market structure? Right? So this is the weekly. You can see what we've created right now, right? We've broken all these highs on the weekly. So what is the market structure? Right?
If you have broken all the ice, Sam.
Yeah,
Yes, that's bullish then.
bullish. But now when we look at daily time frame, what is it?
Now it's bearish because it broke the
Exactly.
daily low.
So now when we look at it, weekly candles. Let me mark this also. Weekly. We took out this low also, which was the previous low, right? This is the previous high on the daily time frame. Now you can see I'm on the daily time frame. Previous high on the daily time frame. The previous low on the daily time frame is not to be seen really. Let's see. That's previous daily high. This is previous 4-hourly high. Okay, so previous daily time frame, we can take the low over here, which is actually 4-hourly. This is the lowest point, and then we moved up here, right? So that was the beginning of the move, so we'll make it previous 4-hour low. Now price is pushing up, which is very good. Okay, so now there are two things we have to look at. Okay, two things we got to look at. What is your market structure and what's your candlestick close? Okay, two different things. Market structure and candlestick close, because both play an important role.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so daily time frame, what is our market structure?
Bearish now.
Bearish. Okay, so that's good. Okay, and weekly time frame, what's the market structure?
That is bullish, Sam.
All right, so that means we need a change in market structure somewhere. Either the weekly needs to break the previous weekly low, or the daily needs to break the previous daily high, right?
Yeah.
Because right now one is bullish and one is bearish,
Yeah,
right?
the higher time frame itself is like that.
Yeah. So if we're looking at the weekly, okay, our market structure on the weekly is bullish, on the daily is bearish, 4-hourly bearish, 1-hourly bearish. Now when we look at it, when we go down to the 4-hourly, okay, we can see nice clean continuation to the downside. Firstly, that was a very good sell-off, 170 odd pips. How many days did it take? 7 days though.
1 week.
1 week, one trade, set and forget. That's
Yeah, that's 7 proper days.
yeah, 7 proper days, but that will be so much of profit, right? So look at this, price is constantly trending. There's always a trend unless you get stuck in something like this. Even that is 100 pips now. So let's continue to look at it. Just happened.
Who's giving you missed calls?
My dad just gave me a missed call. 1 second. Okay, so look at this. Look at what I'm marking. Okay,
Resistance.
Strong resistance, and what is at this resistance?
The candle, Sam, that big bearish candle.
Yeah, but what is at the resistance? Right over here.
You're asking about the previous high, Sam?
Yes, the market structure is right there at the resistance.
That's right, Sam.
Right? So now when we look at it, now where are we? We're now in an impulsive short leg. We should have been in these cells today. It's fine. We're not in the cells, but it's okay. We will find a way to get into cells. So as we look at these cells, either there's going to be a continuation, so you have the impulse leg, the pullback leg, continuation leg, right?
Yeah.
So that means we're going to pull back to a place and we're going to form a small minor resistance at that area. So first thing we have to do is search for a minor resistance from the past. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You can see this? What better place to find a resistance other than at a flat number?
Yes.
Alright, so this is our zone. We're looking for shorts from below these zones and below these market structures. Okay?
Yep.
Plain and simple. And why are we looking for shorts? Because the market structure is shifted to a bearish market. Right? We're in an impulsive bearish market phase. The minute we go above these highs and give us a retest or whatever, my oh my, will we change our analysis and start shorting like crazy. Right? That's the only thing we can say. Once we... And so you see, this was the significant low which created this high. So now this is the significant high that created this low. If we break this, we will be buying and holding for 100 pips, nothing less than 100 pips, right?
Yeah.
Because
That even gives us the daily flip also.
exactly, daily flip, 4-hourly flip, weekly is bullish already, monthly will be bullish. So all is well. So in the weekly when we go back, right? The question is, in the weekly, can we find support from anywhere to continue up? You get what I mean?
Yeah, Sam.
Because if we're saying that this weekly is bullish market structure,
Yeah.
then it should be able to respect something, right?
Yeah, Sam. The resistance that you drew also to the left, there is some QB, Sam.
Yeah. So
Yeah, top lot of
if you look at this, okay, on the monthly time frame. One second. August. One second, my dad's just calling me.
Done, Sam. Done. By then I'll get this video also done.
Well, now we're back. Okay, so you can see what we're looking for. And there's also, when you look at the daily time frame, this is the previous highs, right? Which we previously used as resistance, which can turn to support, which is basically break and retest. You get it? Basic, simple break and retest. So on which time frame will it be break and retest? Most likely daily time frame. It's come for a QP tap at previous support and it'll go back. So it could also, yeah, daily time frame is what I'd seen. This daily close like this, next daily close engulfing, and then it could continue up. Right? That's a potential. So let's see what happens. Main thing is we don't change our bias for anything. If we get entries to short further, we want to short even more. Only problem is it's not yet tapped that QP properly. Okay, so this is GU. EU. Look at EU, it's been stuck in this place for the last few months. How many pips is it? No, 400 pips. Not too bad to be stuck in a 400 pip range. But it hasn't moved out of here once or so. Alright. What if I did this? Does it could touch? No. Okay, so looking at EU, of course. Okay, wait, look at the monthly first. Monthly closed below the resistance, right? This is the resistance, you can see. Monthly closed below it. Weekly time frame. Broke the highs, but we didn't break any lows yet. Daily time frame on EU. Daily time frame super bearish. Absolutely super bearish. So same as EU, there's this little structure to the left, which is actually almost taken that. .8 flat again is the level we're going to come back to. This is previous daily high. Yeah, previous 4-hourly high also is pretty much the same point. There's two places. There's this high and this high. This high, when you look at it, it has these resistance towards the left. This high doesn't have much resistances towards the left. So that's what one more thing we have to keep in mind. So there's quite a few levels over here that we look at. But for this one, we just keep it simple. Even if we took out that high, what would we want? We would want a retest of this level, 250. But until we break that level, that is our resistance. So this is our zone. Oh, EU also was a pretty decent sell. At least 45 pips easy. Easy, let's see. Yeah, maybe this candle that closed below entry model. What would have our risk been? 13 pips. 1.3%, 1 is to 3.4. So that would be 3.4% on this trade, which should have been really good actually. 3.4. No, that would be 4.5% on this one trade, which would take us to a 5.7% gain. Interesting. That's very nice. Have you guys done any analysis for this? EU? Okay, you guys actually have. Let me just open my Twitter so we can check out the analysis. Okay, let's just see your analysis. Okay, looking for shorts, waiting for pullback. Okay, GU pullback. Needs to create resistance, yep. Okay, waiting for shorts, waiting for pullback to 250 again, yeah. The thing is at 250 you have these nice stops above these candles. So that's looking very enticing. So that looks good. Good, Josh, that looks good. Ash, market structure is bearish. Price broke daily 4-hourly low, looking for retest for shorts. Cautious news coming up. All right. Yeah, that's right. Coming up. Market structure is bearish. Okay. Kind of the same thing. Resistance is up here. High time frame resistance. Okay, so that's also pretty good. Let's see. It hasn't come up to tap there, nor has it tapped here yet. So we needed to tap and reject first. Then after that we can take a look at it. Okay. I'll ask you guys. Okay, so USD CAD was one of those pairs which I was actually interested in today. Because when you look at it, where was that? So you see this 4-hourly. This was like the last prominent low, like the last legitimate low, which we broke above, right? Before this is all minor low, but this was the low that pushed it all the way back up. And so we broke that low, and then we retested this QP. Okay, so then we retested this QP. So now if you look at it, we're actually trading below the QP, right? So when I look at the daily time frame, what was the previous candle? Bearish. Where are we trading from?
Resistance. Top of the resistance.
Beautiful. So bearish daily candle, 4-hourly, broke the previous low, so the market structure is now flipped bearish. Retested 1 hour, now looking bearish, right?
Yeah.
So it's looking very nice for a continuation trade to the downside. Gold going up, write it down. My guy, when you say stuff like that, people really don't care after that. Because unless you're Jerome Powell, we'll never write it down. If you're Jerome Powell, I'll record it and I'll play it for my grandchildren. But yeah, just
Powell is a nightmare. Kids, if you don't eat, I'll call Powell uncle.
just looking at different things. Looking at this, how can we get an entry would be the question. Let's see how price interacts with this QP. If we get a nice rejection, we can look for an entry, right? And if we get a good entry, we can hold that for a little while, because I think then we can get the bearish leg on this move. Maybe let's say down to, even if we're going to continue bullish, I would say potentially down to this area. So that should be roughly 2 QPs. Yeah, 50 pips. So yeah, question is, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna set and forget, or are we just gonna be forgotten? There you go. Okay. Alright, let's see. What would the stops be like on this? 12 pips. Let's see how much risk we're gonna take. Pip calculator. So if I'm trying to set and forget and use this right on my slap account. Okay, 12.5 pips. I don't want to risk more than USD CAD, 1 second. USD CAD. So I don't wanna risk 3.0. Oh, this one is 12.5. Okay, let's go to 7, 8. Yeah, I'm fine with $7 worth of risk. $7.2. That's good. So that'll be kind of like a set and forget in my personal opinion.
Yeah.
So
What is
first,
this comment?
I am Paul. Let me just take a look at your profile picture. Nah, Pavel doesn't look like that. I just can't say anything. I
Sam, one watching.
I just can't say anything. I refuse to get demonetized. Oh, but yeah. Funny. That's a good one. Yeah, you definitely. I actually, you know what? I'm just gonna agree with you because I can see the resemblance actually. Anyway, so okay, let's see. I think USD CAD is a very good trade, of course, in my personal opinion. I think it has a long way and good way to go down. It's all a matter of finding entries, that's it. Will we get the entries that we want or not? Okay, on the other hand, Euro USD, we're still waiting for it to pump up. GBP USD has pumped up, which is very good. So if we get like, let's say a 15-minute engulfing or something, we can take a trade and put the stops above what we'd consider the 5-minute highs, right? The 5-minute swing high right over here. So that is good. So that should be roughly around 17, 18 pips, 13 pips from the QP. And our target will of course be to continue bearish, which will be the swing low. So let's see what's happening. Is there a chance for it to just continue going up? Of course there's a chance for it to just Let's look at gold. Goldie. Beautiful. Oh, gold. Look at yesterday's candle. If you're looking for anything other than a buy, I don't know what to say about you. Look at that. Gold is the most beautiful buy you're gonna get. Oh, it retested perfectly. Look at that. Look at the entry from QP right over here, 32,500. When did gold start giving such nice entries? Look at that. Only problem is the stops are like 50 pips, but you'd already be up 100 pips almost. So that is also very interesting. Do you know that GJ in the last 2 weeks has pushed almost 1,700 pips if I'm not mistaken? 1,300 pips.
Sheesh.
1,700 in the last 4 weeks. I think GJ thinks it's an indices or something. Full tilt it's gone. GJ like, I'm not GJ, I'm an indices. Okay, but let's do our analysis on NAS 100 since we really like it now. We want to take some trades on NAS 100 futures. Yesterday we saw a trader get absolutely hammered in every way possible. Everything he did, it just did the opposite of what he wanted to do. And like to the point where he was like, it's not even going one tick in my favor. I was like, don't worry. I think 10 ticks should be 1 pip. 10 ticks. 10 ticks. No. I think maybe ticks and pips are the same. Ticks are the tiniest possible movement in any market. Okay, so it's the same. Ticks, pips, and points. Pretty much the same. Okay, so now what do we see? Pop, pop, pop,
Bearish.
pop, 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 pop.
Is this yes?
Yes,
Yep.
yes, yes. Bullish. What is our weekly time frame? Bullish. Daily time frame? Bullish.
He's bullish.
4-hourly time frame? Bullish. What are we gonna do? We're gonna buy with all our heart, might, and soul today. That's it.
What a way to say that. All our might.
Let's see. Okay. Okay, so now we have to go to the lower time frame and find a market structure. Like 30 minutes has been bearish, right? 15 minutes, let's say 15 minutes has been bearish. This is the previous 15-minute high, which was bearish, right? Which created this big momentum to the downside. So if we break that 15-minute
QP.
and we get a retest at 500 at the on the lower time frame, that's it. We will say bye bye. 475. Actually, even if we take out these highs and then we buy, it'll be fine. Okay, now let me go a little higher into the levels. 30 minute, this is, oh, so, okay, so this is good because it's a 30-minute high and 15-minute high. 45-minute is up there. 1 hour time frame should be up there. Oh, 1 hour, so it's pretty much over there. Where will the market flip to go bearish? So firstly, the big momentum happened from down here. So I think the only place the market will flip to go bearish is if we break this low. If not, nothing is clear about that because like look at the 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour. Here, there you go, found it. That is the low. Whoop, whoop, there you go. So that is also looking good. Beautiful. 25 pip zone to the T.
Yeah, even if it breaks that low, there's resistance.
Exactly. And if we take out that high, do we have support? Beautiful.
Oh, yes.
What are we talking about?
Not the best of the best. I know that. That's what you would say, Sam.
Yes, sir. That's how we are. No, but actually, let's not jinx that because we should say that when we win the trade, not before the trade. For now, we're all right.
6 minutes.
We will be very humble.
USD CAD 30-minute closing in 6.
Okay, let me just take a look at that. Okay, firstly, let me just get my account ready to take a trade once we go above. Okay, Euro USD is going above. GBP USD also is pushing up. Very nice. USD CAD, we're expecting it to fall, so then we should expect the other pairs to go up. Ooh, USD CAD, what is happening here?
Oh, unemployment claim at 6 o'clock. So no trade. I was like, I opened for expecting to take it at 6 o'clock unemployment.
It's fine. It's okay.
Gamble account.
Gambling. Okay, so we're gonna put. What shall we put?
You change it all to black, Sam. All
No, this is only for indices.
this. Okay.
The rest of it is all white.
Okay.
So that's the only thing I undocked.
Okay.
Only tab I undocked. So unemployment is gonna come. I wanna make some quick money. So and I think it's gonna go bullish. So I'm gonna put a stop right there.
Buy.
It'll be funny. Right over here. I'm gonna put a trailing stop of 200. So that should be 20 points. 20 points. There's 20 pips. So as soon as it crosses this, if it has 20 pips in profits, it'll come back. So this should only be like some $2-3 worth of this. 450. Let's see 450. 450. Modify. Okay, that's around $7 worth of risk. We'll put our stop down here. Oh, this is 1 minute chart. My bad. Please go higher. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. That's a little gamble, small gambles.
Anyone on the stream, don't do this.
Huh?
Anyone on the stream, don't do this. Sam, your mic is too low.
My mic is too low. Alright, 1 second. Thank you. Now that's someone who can look like Powell.
Sam.
Okay, let's see. Can we take out these highs? 2 minute 52 seconds. 2 minute 52.
It is the time. USD CAD also is engulfing.
Yeah. Is it time or is it time?
It's time. Correctly.
Okay. So you wanna watch this little gamble we're taking on NAS 100?
USD CAD.
The reason why I took it there is I'm expecting price to break this high and continue. Oh wait, we have magic keys so I can use. It's okay. It should have an auto break even trigger.
Keeping W in the chat ready.
Keep L also ready.
Oh, okay, Sam. Put one space and do off.
uh, how many seconds or minutes?
130.
Okay. I mean, most people do it with gold. I just want to see whether the market structure will follow through or will we fall through. So those two different aspects. Because look at the National under last previous 4-hour candle. Will we just
Yeah.
continue down or continue breaking up? Because that's a huge engulfing candle. I hope National 100 spreads are not too big.
Well, 1 minute to close. You're going to KSL today, Sam?
Let's see. 5:59.
Oh,
Okay.
what is that? Surfing through OLX. I found your bike.
Yep. That deal might almost be done, Ash.
It's okay, Sam. Well, if something goes, something comes. Inline 4.
Absolutely not. I can't afford one at least now.
15 seconds, Sam. 15 seconds.
15 seconds.
Okay.
10 seconds. What's gonna happen? Okay, let me keep this ready so I can close it also.
Okay, wait. Let me open YouTube channels.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's
and
see. Not much. Is it good or bad?
USD cat did nothing. Okay, it's dropping. Is it dropping?
I get it. Not yet. I don't think we've realized what the news. It's just saying pending. 249k. Negative. Wonderful.
Okay.
Wonderful.
It's moving. It's taking its time. Yeah, 249k actual.
Look at GU just now.
Yeah.
So not needed to touch that. Pushing back hard. That pushed EU to tap the QP. Very nice.
Yep.
Okay, is my NASA under still there? Yeah, it's still there. Come on, show me the money. I want to take it only after it breaks this market structure.
Yep.
Let's see. We can also spectate some futures traders. Futures traders. I'm 100% the guy I watched there yesterday is not there today. He is already in the future.
Oh dang, you just Sam, don't do all this, Sam.
You moving up? GU moving up?
USD CAD is just there.
USD cat is there?
USD CAD is just there. It's not like really moving like how Geo and this is doing.
No touch yet.
Yeah.
Because there's no 15-minute top or bottoming.
Yep.
But if you look at NAS 100, we're a couple of points away from getting tagged in. Woo! Let's see. Pum 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 pum. Ba 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 bum. Okay, let's see.
Geo is moving on up.
You got the strength?
Yep.
Beautiful. EU is also looking like it's pushing. NAS not pushing. We used to call NAS nasty NAS or something like that. Cause it's so nasty. But yeah, brilliant. Dun 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 dun. Hmm. Let's see.
Why Nash is there only?
Yeah, NAS most of the time though it'll wait for NYSC open. That's
Okay.
7:30 I think if I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
Taran taran tan tara. Let's see, NAS 100. But that's good. Anyway, we didn't get taken into the trade. Tragic, right? If we break above that, then we're looking to win. Right now, I didn't want to give us a trade. With this 4-hour candle, this next 4-hour candle could go down very well. But for me, this market structures have been broken, so I do not look for anything else. I refuse. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, honestly, the only buy is above this. We break this high and retest. That's the only buy. So yeah.
Did gold have any effect because of the news, Sam?
Yeah, it should have had an effect, right? Oh. You would have been up 200 pips. 50 pips risk, though.
Yeah. Okay. Powell's son.
Write it down, yeah. He was right.
Good, he's not in the chat.
Yeah, that's fine.
Otherwise, fun times.
See, in today's day and age, anyone can be adopted. Life is just uncertain. But yeah. You guys opened the... What's that?
Ninja trader, Sam.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam.
Okay.
Yeah,
We have the ninja.
So with Ninja Trader, I showed it to you the other day, right? Let me just log in and then come back. Tell me if there's any nice trades other than this. Okay, guys, did you all look at the other backtesting pairs? Anything interesting?
Looking at USD CHF, Sam. Give me 2 minutes. And see.
USD CHF, yeah. But USD CHF, yeah, possible.
Yeah, Sam. It's right there at the previous support, but the candle that's closing now, if it closes right below, and then if we get a retest at 0.87500, I think we can.
Yeah. 1 second, let me just do this. USD CHF. 68% long. That's going to keep dying.
Yeah, Sam. It's just going.
Let's see. USD CHF looks like it's actually going to continue down.
Yeah, Sam.
Yesterday, man, I was looking for an entry on USD CHF yesterday and I got it. I
Okay.
held it on my Slap account for a little while. If I held it a little longer, no, I would have made a lot more.
Yeah, Sam.
Gone 75 pips easy. I think I got about 25 or 30 pips off that.
Oh, yes, you sent the thing. I saw that.
Yeah. Euro USD big rejection.
It didn't tap 250. If it had tapped 250, it would have been nice.
Yeah.
Geo. But right now, USD CHF is in a very, very strong support level.
Yeah.
And if this closes, the same candle closes strongly below support, I think it should continue down. Down, down,
Let's
down.
hope.
I think NZD USD Sam. That one.
Mm.
So it looks good. USD CAD, reject. NCD USD. Yes, that is also is a nice support.
The problem with NTD USD is I'm not able to find any kind of structure. Like, okay, 4-hour time frame we kind of broke above that. Weekly time frame, okay, we're at a support coming up potentially. Daily time frame, there's no way to tell that we're now starting a bullish market. You get what I mean? Like, there's too many variables to this. It's not clear. Like, look at AUD USD now.
Yeah,
4
Sam.
hour, there's a clear high right over here, right?
Yep.
Clear
Break
swing
that
high.
support is
Exactly. So, there's a place to break and retest.
Yep. Makes sense.
750 to 500, whatever. You see that? Like, so that is the potentiality.
Yeah, and 4 hour also it's like you said on NCD USD, there's no proper structure for 4 hour high or something for us to break and continue.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
Interesting. Let's see. NAS 100 also rejected, which is good. So now we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
Once we take out this low on NAS 100 right over here, you see this 15-minute low? There is a big potential for us to continue bearish for a little while. So this 30-minute when we break this low, I've just seen it happen few too many times. But yeah, and that's also an engulfing candle from this quarter point area. So yeah, very interesting.
Yesterday is what is it? AUD USD closed, rejecting on the support.
This US in the, Nasdaq just closed 15-minute engulfing from this after breaking these lows. It'd be interesting to see. Let's just mess around with some extremely small lots on Nasdaq. So NTD USD we can mess around with like micro lots. You can see the way the market structure is setting up on NZD USD. If we break this low, we're gonna continue down. If we break this high, we're gonna continue up. In my personal opinion, let's see what market does. So we know we have a bearish engulfing candle from this level. What are we going to do? This is the bearish engulfing. So this one we'll put on the 1-minute chart. So let's see. Euro USD closed bearish, but it closed below the QPO, so 1.08, which is good. But we'll be waiting for further confirmation, of course, because just rejecting it is not enough. Yes, that's right. That's the USD CHF analysis that I was looking for on the daily time frame. AUD USD exactly. But what is the green box for?
Support, Sam.
Okay.
So either I get a retest on 500, that is the closest after it breaks the high. If I look at the other high, the closest is 250. So I want the highest point to break and give me a retest at 500, or if it pulls back to 250, one of that place, Sam.
Yeah.
I can make this box only to 250 and 500. Yep.
So you guys understood how these things work, right? How these contracts work and everything?
Yeah, Sam.
Good. So if we break this low, I want to take part. And we're only going to scalp it.
Yep.
That's a 15 engulfing from there, so yeah. That would kind of make sense to short it off that. But for us, we're gonna be extra cautious and look at the 30-minute when we are breaking the other previous candle lows and continuing down with some volume. That'll be fun. So it looks something like this. And if it doesn't happen, no problem. We'll look for something else. You know, so that guy today, I mean yesterday, he was like proper gambling. Just clicking buttons here, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But yeah, very interesting. He lost 18,000, 21,000 at one point. And then he lost even further. Then he made it all back. He brought it down to $3,000 loss for the day. Fantastic. Then he took it and just blew it out of the water and made it $40,000 negative. It's like, you came so close, yet so far away.
Like, you know, remember when we went for a walk and we got the chance to close the trade and we
Yeah.
didn't close. He was right there. But I think whoever's buying your bike, man,
Yeah.
it's gonna be fun. Because like any Benelli's you see, I don't think any bike is like driven so less.
Yeah.
And I think the maintenance also.
Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Okay, but we need something more than this. Euro USD is actually looking good to continue down. At least till 500, I would say. So another 50 pips. But it's got to give us the entry.
Yeah.
Awesome. The sentiment also lines up nicely. Okay. Let's put this here. So you see, the thing is with this is you can't do any proper analysis, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Nothing. We're bullish, so when we actually go to the hourly time frame, we need to break this highs. Horizontal line here. Let's take one more horizontal line from here. $30. Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
30 minutes. Okay, we can sell 5 contracts at the break of this low.
Order working.
Oof. Not needed. Okay, so 5 contracts at the break of that low. And stop loss. Buy stop right there. You see that?
Yeah.
So I'm looking at price. If we break that, we continue down for a couple of pips. By the time we reach this low, I'm looking to break even.
Okay.
Because so basically in futures you're looking to scalp it. Okay, very
Yeah, not
precisely.
hold it.
No holding at all. Okay, almost none of them do holding. So I told you, no, it has that trailing drawdown. So if you go like $500 in profit, your drawdown has come $500 in profit. So your target is only that $200, $300 a day. So that way
Okay.
it's much better. You know, you get what I mean?
Yep.
My poor account has just been sitting for some time now. So let's see. I'm looking at price. If we break that low, we should continue down with some volume and volatility. What is an order ticket? Limit. Stop limit. Stop market. Spread. Okay, that doesn't do anything for us. Log. That doesn't do anything for us. News. News is definitely good. Yeah, that's a good thing to have kept on the side. Options chain not needed. Code editor. What is a code editor? Oh wow, no thank you. Reports. Superdome. I think this is perfect. News, your trades and positions, and your main account standings. EU, not shorting EU because we didn't get the confirmation. We didn't even tap into the QP 1.08, so we will wait. and perhaps search for some indices, Nasdaq trades. Looking at Nasdaq, let's just check if there's any. Yep, there are quite a few people trading futures. Let's take a look at them. Interesting. Did you guys do analysis for Nasdaq? Do analysis
sir.
for Nasdaq.
Okay.
If we want to trade it, we need to know what we're trading. We're looking at a short setup right here. See, that's correct. And a long setup up there. Whichever one it goes to, actually. Oh, USD CAD 30 minute. Ooh. That is brilliant. I'm just gonna mark it out and leave it. Let's see what happens. So we're supposed to get some volume with USD CAD. When is... Let's see. Interesting. So many people looking at the same thing, but each one is doing something different. Literally different. Okay, look at this. 5 minutes just closed below.
Sam, NAS 100 from which provider, Sam? FXCM?
I just use
Forex.com?
forex.com.
Okay, that's the US Tech 100 CFD.
US 100 cash CFD. Forex.com. Oh, maybe there's a different, maybe it's not forex.com. But yeah, sure, it should all be the same. Like it.
US 100 cash CFD. Okay, 1 second. Let me just see. US Tech 100 CFD. What is this?
It should be the same.
US 100 cash. Okay, yeah. Once you take that, it says cash. Yeah.
Okay, I think some volume is gonna come in now. So I'm gonna start off with 5 micro contracts. "22 minutes to opening bell," so it opens at 7 o'clock, guys. Oh, there you go. I'm in on NAS 100. Okay, let's see. Just looking for maybe $200. So once you've come down that far, you don't want to risk too much. So I've brought my stops down. That looks good. Let's say I will buy down there if we come here. 5 contracts. 525 to 625. How much is that? 40 pips? 40 pips. So let me just check my notes how much that is. $80. 80 into 5. So that should be around $400 right now as our target. If we want to make it a little smaller, we can take it to 40 or 45. Let's just see. I think price should continue down a little further. When I look at the 15-minute time frame, yeah, just to this support right over here. I know that it has potential to break past this support, but that's not our goal, alright? Our goal is just at $200 to $300, that's it. Price is not yet broken this low, let's see. Our goal is simple, just to come to these lows to give us a nice little $200 move, and we're gonna just look at doing that again and again. Maybe even $150, 150 to $200 on a move. I think once I hit $150, I'm going to break even basically. Five. Difficult. Calculator. Come on. Give us a nice volume push. I'm expecting a volume push. Wow. I'm expecting it to continue down. Okay, let's see. $100. We've got $100. 65 to 55 was basically $100 on the dot. So that is good. 1 second, price level. No. Okay, we were up 100. Price is retesting now. We're still waiting. Still looks good. So we'll be holding this. Okay, $70. I'm waiting for it to just give us a little break so I can bring this back down here. Come on, let's break those lows is what I'm waiting for. Some kind of volume. Mm. Come on. Okay, there you go. You can see I've broken even. I basically bought my buy stop. Oh, yeah, my buy stop to my entry. Because I'm expecting this to start breaking now. I think we've seen this price action too much to know that if it doesn't start breaking now, we're going to start rejecting. So there you go. We're starting to break. There you go. Look at that. 240, 250. Comprende.
Damn. What is this? Nice volume.
Indices. Indices. So let me just make this. Let's say 4. Never mind, I closed it all. I wanted to close one. 264 today. So that's good. So every time I take a trade, I'm just aiming for $200.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. 5 contracts. You can open 5 contracts. But now, even now, I need to calculate what the risk was actually. So just now the 30-minute low. I think I took my stop from there to there. 40 pips. 40 pips. Again, I need to find my cheat sheet, right? Sticky note. Okay, 40 pips on one contract is $80. Okay, 40 pips on one contract is $80. So that means we should only be using 2 contracts max, Ash. On
Okay.
micro E-mini. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this big one. Okay, which is NQ. On MNQ, we are only supposed to be using 2 contracts, max 3 contracts.
Okay.
80, A2, these are 24. Yeah, max is 3 contracts, but that's with 40 pip stops.
Okay.
We're basically looking at 1:1 trade.
Okay.
Okay. Micro account. 2 to 3 contract max. 40 pip stop. Look at that, Ash.
Damn.
What did I tell you all yesterday?
The best of the best.
Best of the best. We're coming for those futures trading accounts. Wonderful.
Oh, it's dropping.
Of course it is. We did the analysis, right? So it better drop.
Nice way to say it.
Did you all take the Suso on that Ninja Trader?
No, Sam.
Okay.
From tomorrow.
Why? What happened?
I didn't take it that time, Sam. That time only I was analyzing, so I didn't take it.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Too good.
Oh, 75 to 525 pips. Okay.
So my entry was 565 to 540. 565 to 540. How much is that? 540, 20, 25. 75 points.
Okay.
Am I right? No. Sorry. I messed it up. 35 points.
Okay.
No, I messed it up badly again. 55 plus 65. Yeah, 35. Sorry. That's correct. No, but it's 565. Anyway. Look at that. So that's what we're just looking for small trades on futures account. So you can get a payout in as soon as 5 days.
Oh.
Just small trades, 1:1 trades, winning trades, best of the best trades. That's it. Now I'm really interested in this. So there's one consistency rule though to get a payout.
Okay.
You have to, if you want to pay out, you have to not like that's it. So that's why only $200-300 is the target per day. Because one day's profit should not contain more than 20% of the entire profit that you have. You get it? So let's just say you have $1,000 and you're requesting a withdrawal.
Okay.
You shouldn't have made 20% in one day of that withdrawal.
Oh, okay.
So you
So
should,
5 days.
yeah.
Oh.
So it's interesting.
But there's another news at 7 o'clock.
Yep.
PMI. USD keeps dropping news like bomb.
So yeah. Very interesting. Okay, so a trader cannot exceed more than 20% of their total profits in a single trading session.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at Nasdaq.
Okay,
Beautiful.
I can see that down.
Next week I'm coming for you, Nas. That's it. We're going for it. We're going for it. Beautiful. I wanna just know. Fast track trading. Prop firm. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. How many points was that? 25. 65 to 25. 40 points. Right?
Yeah, Sam, that's right.
40 point move. 40 point move on how many positions did I have?
2 or 3, Sam?
Mm,
Two, I guess. Two only, Sam. He was
yeah,
also saying two only.
2. Yeah. No, I think I had 5. That's why I made 200. But anyway, it's fine. So, same thing. Same plan. Every day, 40, 50 points. Look at how small that candle is.
Yeah, it's just that small candle is 40 points means
Yeah.
I think it can do so much.
Can do. Can do attitude. Let's go.
Can do.
Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at this.
Yeah, yeah. It
Hehe.
is going down.
Right, let's go.
Down, down, down.
Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Sticky notes.
Okay, let's see. I'm actually excited about this. Mm-mm.
Opening.
Hmm. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I was just looking at it. Look at that red candle. Sheesh.
Look at it. I am so
This
ready.
is a proper fight.
Yeah, let them fight. We got the money. Take the money. Run away.
Run away, Sam.
Run like. Just run real fast. See, once you make the money, you want to run with it. That's it. You don't want to sit and wait and wait and wait.
Where are you running, Sam?
I wanna run away. Alright, let's see. Hmm. Look at price coming back. See our targets and look at how price is pushing.
One word, perfection.
Sheesh. That's how we like it. So we like it. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Interesting. I'll have to look into some stuff for futures trading and see what we can do. Another few more minutes and then we will call it quits. Wonderful. Look at the way prices were flashing right over here. Look at GU and EU. Look at USD CAD. What an analysis on USD CAD. That must be, yeah, that's almost 25 pips. Let's see, MNQ, yeah. When is the one restored? Yeah, that's perfect, Ash. I have a good feeling. I have a really good feeling about this. I think the most important thing is understanding what is the model of a firm. Understanding how a firm can be profitable or not. Because that's when you can make a lot of money. Ooh, look at that.
Damn. Good. Look at the way it's just moving now.
That's it. We knew it was bullish. We said it was bullish again and again.
Yeah, like you said, like scalping.
Exactly.
Perfect.
We just wanted to scalp $150. That's it.
Make the money, take the money, bye bye.
Run away. That's it. Now, if we take out these highs, you know exactly what we're going to do. Interesting. Nice. Well, I was just looking at how some of these firms actually survive. What is their business model in order to survive? Oh, oh, look at that. Beautiful. That could have even been looked at as a buy zone. If you look at our pushback to support, again, ask the question, what was our analysis on bullish, right? So
Yeah.
that could have even been looked at as a buy zone if you got an engulfing. Oh, 5-minute was engulfing right there. Where did we change the market structure? Right over here, shifted it, and then went up. That's it. Oh, wow. Look, that is, this is amazing. In 5 minutes, you got like 70 pips, as compared to like, I would say 4x, Man, this is getting exciting. Let's see, only 2 contracts from now. What we're gonna do. Let's see. Like, you get to make money fast. You get to know whether you're right or wrong quickly. I think that's the best feature ever. Because many times it takes a long time then for us to know whether our analysis is right or wrong, and then if it's wrong, then you have to try and find out why it's wrong. Instead, over here, this is the previous high, major high. If we take out that high, we're definitely continuing up. So, plain and simple. Plain and simple. We saw certain candle formations, we took it. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't see a message. Mm. Okay, let's look at this. Let's see whether we can squeeze in another trade after we take out this high. Wait 1 second.